Okay. So how about you share some experiences with them about certain things that...
I think this is such a reflection of how everybody started in the city, especially if you come, you rent a flat, you have this pretty silly building regulations, society meeting, you have to take a NOC for meeting in the society, and we have this character assessment that we do, that they ask you boys and girls that are visiting you. It's very bizarre. So it's very ridiculous that it happens even so cooking pinching pennies. So yeah, I think everybody is interested to that.
So before we move on, any piece of advice that you would like to give these three girls?
I just feel that in the city to get distracted. But this crucial period is when you're 18 and when you're 30, 32. It's the time when you should hustle a lot and get your work done. So it's great to have fun. You should, and everyone does. But just remember why you've come to the city and be back home, like chilling.
Okay, so note of head. Thank you very much. Yeah, I know.
I will not.
All right, so it's a unique series that's going to be coming very, very shortly. But for this unique concept, we have music. So ladies and gentlemen, it's... How was your experience? Like one of the instances of your experience.
Yeah, before I confess, I really want to say that series that was so happy that Fremantle actually came to this because it's really wonderful working with the right people. People have the right sensibilities and about music. And Monisha and Victor had not briefed me that I could have done it. So I think what you're getting is exactly, I think one of the meanings of the series and what confession.
So, how about you make a confession about your experiences while with the team?
So there are proposed, and if you hear them, there are one is the song for Raka, which is direct to this song. So when we did the direct track, Monisha got another to come in and sing, and I've always loved her. And when she came to my studio for the first, and that we realized why I always believed in her. She actually sang the whole song in one take.
Fantastic. I think here we go.
As an artist,
The person who is clapping the loudest because he's coming on stage next. So it's time for us to introduce the Senior South Asia Digital and Sponsorship, Ron Crusto. Yes, sir. Yes, we're going to give you a mic. We have there.
कौन सा ऐसा कन्फेशन करना चाहेंगे इतने साल का आपका कोई एक ऐसा कन्फेशन बॉलीवुड के बारे में?
मेरा खुद का
स्ट्रगल से लेकर आज तक स्ट्रगल आज तक
थोड़ा माइक।
स्ट्रगल से लेकर आज तक का सक्सेसफुल करियर आपका रहा है। अब ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट आया हो या कोई चीज ऐसी बॉलीवुड के बारे में?
मेरा कंटेंट है कि जो भी मैं अभी तक की सक्सेसफुल फिल्में मानी जाती वो मुझे खुद मिल गई और जिनके लिए बहुत मेहनत मशक्क़त करनी पड़ी या तो वो मेरे हाथ से निकल गई या बहुत फ्लॉप हो गई। तो इस बात से ये समझ में आता है कि जो भागता है वो ले लेना चाहिए चुपचाप। जी मेरा कंसेशन ये है कि मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था की लिस्ट मुझे बहुत सारी उसमें पॉपुलर फिल्में नजर आ रही तो मैं टीम की तरफ से बहुत खुश हूँ। धन्यवाद सरकार का। सीरीज पे आ जाइए यस हाय शैंडी योर नेम इज शैंडी सॉरी ओह थैंक यू। Yeah.
But I would also know how my friends who moved out of home or whether they are in, I can't whether they are there or they are in Mumbai, staying with actually how will they be able to relate to this? Because you want to reach out to the audience, right? And directly forums.
I feel I moved from a family like a new family to living with a college senior of mine in Bombay. And honestly, having her here gave me a support because she had already figured out how the house is run, where one has to take a train from, that you can buy a booklet to, sort of get by in the city. From all that, the thing is, it's a human experience. When you watch the series, you know that these are things that happen to all girls or even guys. I think they'll be able to things that you have to do on a daily basis, dealing with the land, putting the trash out, buying cat food or whatever. I think beyond a point, it's a human experience. Sure, that people who live in this city or live in other metros, Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, in shared apartments with friends, relate to it way more, but other people also will find it interesting to see this other slice of life. It really is a slice of life. It's so fresh and so short and snappy and interesting. Life for like 7 minutes. It's quite cool.
Very hard pages. Just because you asked a very specific question. But if you are still staying in your hometown, then how is it relevant? We all have parents, papas, who will come in the middle of the night and ask what's going on, right? It happens around.
दुनिया के सामने पेश करते हैं और यहाँ हम प्रेस के पेश कर रहे हैं तो कन्फेशन उसी को कहते हैं। आप मुझसे डेफिनेशन पूछ रहे हैं कि
मतलब आप ये कन्फेशन के बारे में
इस सीरीज जी
लाइफ में
जिंदगी सबके कन्फेशन होते हैं। जिसके नहीं होते वो उसने पूरी जिंदगी पूरी जी ली अभी तक।
मेरा सवाल आपसे है।
नमस्कार।
होली का त्योहार अभी अभी गया है और
जी।
सरबजीत के सेट पर इस तरह से होली मनाई थी। उन्होंने एक पिक्चर देखा था आपका और रणदीप की, तो
आपको बाद में मिल ठीक है, वो हमने खेली थी तो सीरीज बनाई तो बेहतर है।
Just being
सीरीज से बाहर एक और लास्ट मेरा है काफी पसंद किया जा रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रिस्पॉन्स कोई क्या कोई फोन कॉल आया या कोई पर्सनल किसी ने
आजकल तो पर्सनल कुछ होता ही नहीं, सब कुछ ट्विटर पे ही होता है। तो अच्छा था, आप वो टाइमलाइन देख लीजिए क्या क्या कहा। मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि पसंद आएगा लोगों को, क्योंकि मेरे लिए भी रिस्क है, पहली बार एक ग्लैमरस टाइप का रोल कर रही हूँ, तो इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग।
Okay, so the question is, question related to the show and first question obviously follow. So we got three wonderful girls. Anybody here would like to ask a question? We've got some fantastic people on the ground.
I think पूछना चाहिए कि इनकी जर्नी कैसी रहेगी, एग्जीबिशंस के थ्रू आई है। अभी ये जैसे स्टेज पे आपने प्रस्तुत की गई है, इनका असली ये अभी कैरेक्टर्स की तरह ही स्टेज है, तो आई थिंक वी शुड हियर अबाउट देयर जर्नी, हाउ what is Nupur like, what is Raka like, what is Sameera like, how, you know.
Your Hindi is absolutely wonderful.
I'm from Delhi.
All right. So any questions that you have to ask? What is yes?
Hello. Hi, Priyanka from Student Diary. I want to know how these three girls develop with each other, like in movies in the world, right? Or in the web series. So how do you do it and what's their equation with each other? And any besties or
Well, Priyanka, hi.
Hi.
To be very honest, right from the time we met, so that's when we all tried to connect and then connect over chat. That was something, and that's something everyone can. And apart from that, you know, it's a mix of every character. Like, Noor is a mix of her own essence. I'm a mix of my own essence. You know, Sameera here is a mix of her own essence. So we come together to make a very unique bond. And we can't say besties or anything, but you can definitely say that we're under one roof over a period of time. You do turn out to be like sisters, maybe you can say soul sisters. You don't really need to be connected bloodly, but honestly, it's with everything that puts you through the journey and the chaos. Life is so chaotic. So yeah, that chaos and the journey and everything we go through to a day when we come to a standstill, that's we three together. So yes, we are the best group.
And can I just add to that actually? Coming from the outside looking in,
possibly a crush on you?
yes.
Richa, India semi-finals में पहुंच गई, वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ मैच है, आप कुछ बताएंगे, आपने कोई मैचेस देखे हो फेवरेट?
आप मुझसे फिर और भी कुछ बजट के बारे में और पॉलिसी।
You said everyone is deeper India, so
Yes. No, I'm very happy that first we won against Pakistan, we won against Bangladesh was a very sensitive match. Then Australia was unbelievable. So best wishes to the team, but at the end of the day, it's just a sport. So होता है वो may the better team win, but obviously you have to do.
And your question, ma'am, outstanding because you got everyone talking here. So they will come. See the match, it was outstanding.
The girls watch cricket.
So we have time for the last couple of questions if anybody wants to. Yes, please.
Can I have a proper example? Like I still do not know your real names and your background, nothing.
I think
Possible?
no, they're
The uniqueness of the show is for the next 3 months, when till the show goes off air, will be in these characters. They have actually disabled their own Facebook. They will be operating out of their Facebook account under the names of Nupur, Sameera and Raka. The days when the show is not being aired, that's that's when they will come, they will chat with the audiences. That's the whole idea of making the show truly interactive. And that's what our aim is. So yes, it's in Fremantle a little time to get into digital, but as far as the web series is, as far as the fiction web series is concerned, but we want to come in with our best card.
So this is our method of seeing the digital way. Thank you.
Just to add, bringing us to a place like Confessions. How come? I mean, for me, bridging the generation gap between what Nani watches before she goes to bed and what I would like to see, you know. This is really where I'm of something very interesting. There's more work for everybody, there's better content, there's more interesting faces.
और 5 फिल्म्स ने लॉन्च कर दिया है।
क्या क्या?
की ऑलरेडी वेब सीरीज आ रही है।
वो तो देखिए दुनिया में तो पहले कहीं और हो ही गया था।
मेरा सवाल सॉरी मंत्र कंपनी के जो ओनर हैं
हाँ
कि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है वेब सीरीज के साथ रेवेन्यू
क्या
रेवेन्यू
जनरेशन
उतनी ज़्यादा होती नहीं कि वो पूरा पैसा रिलीज कर जाए। तो क्या आपने स्पॉन्सर किया पूरी वेब सीरीज को, क्या मोटिव था, कितने लोगों तक पहुंच बना पाएंगे इस वेब सीरीज के थ्रू, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा मोटिव वही रहा होगा।
Sure. Okay. So first of all, Facebook in this country is today the widest reaching platform for audiences. And this show, Confessions, it's complicated. It's gonna come on Facebook. So that itself addresses the reach concern, right? Number two, the way we looked at the association is one, just a storytelling medium of reaching out to the audiences. That is the most engaging form, which even Richa mentioned, right? It's giving the relevant audience, youth in this country, something which they would want to watch. And away from the, the traditional conventional forms of the world. So this is their format, their content, which they will appreciate. And lastly, I mean, the ladies here, the key protagonists are actually in the different brands, Myntra, which is Roadster, Anoop, HRX, etc. So it gets you an opportunity to wear the same looks and shop them on the Myntra app. So that probably addresses your concern on our.
All the clothes which the girls are wearing throughout the entire series is actually from Myntra. So it's in a way 3 different girls. The looks, like Manish was saying, so it just in a lot of ways. So it's more than just a sponsor. Is how we're working on.
टीवी है, रिमोट पे लड़ने से अच्छा लोग अपने रूम में जाके अपने लैपटॉप लगा के या अपने अभी फोन पे 10 मिनट या 7 मिनट रिक्शे में कहीं जाते हुए, ट्रेन में, बस में ये एपिसोड्स देख सकते हैं। और मुझे अच्छा फायदा ये लगता है वेब सीरीज का कि शायद मैं भी करूँ काफ़ी जल्द। कहना चाहूँगी कि एक सेंसरशिप जो होती है टीवी पे जो हम देखते हैं, जो पिछले कुछ सालों में बढ़ती गई है। जैसे आप चाहे अगर आप कुछ फॉरेन चैनल्स देखें, उनमें बहुत इनोसेंट वर्ड्स को भी हम बीप कर देते हैं। तो इंटरनेट का फायदा ये है कि वो सेंसरशिप नहीं है और कहानी उस तरह से कही जा सकती जैसे कहनी चाहिए। अभी ये जो सीरीज है, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द यूथ ऑफ द कंट्री लिविंग इन अ कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. It's not something necessarily that my mother would want to watch, but I'd like to watch it, and I can. So digital is really a exploding medium right now. मैं कहती भी हूँ, I tweeted it a few days ago that web series is the new black, and it really is.
Just one more. Like we mentioned, Thank you very, very much for coming here.
नहीं है कि एक टेक क्या उसमें होता है। वेब सीरीज में फ़ायदा ये है कि आप पे टीआरपी की उतनी बंदिश नहीं होती। आपको पर्दों के कलर और मतलब देयर इज अ क्रिएटिव इन्वॉल्व, पर उस थोड़ा ज़्यादा फ्रीडम है वेब सीरीज़ में, सेंसरशिप कम है, आप अपनी कहानी कह सकते हैं। ऐसा आप अगर ऐसा शो अगर टीवी पे देखेंगे तो शायद ही कुछ यूथ चैनल्स पे देखें, लाइक दास और MTV या चैनल वी पे आप देख सकते हैं, वरना नहीं देख पाएंगे। तो वेब का ये फ़ायदा है कि एनीबडी कैन वॉच इट। हाँ जी, नहीं मैं एपिसोड में नहीं, मैं खाली लॉन्च करने आई थी। क्यों नहीं मैं नहीं दे रही अपनी स्टोरी मैं कैसे दे सकती हूँ दोबारा? हाँ जी, मैं आपका सवाल नहीं समझी। हाँ, नहीं आई थिंक वो इसलिए क्योंकि पहली बात तो मैं एक लड़की हूँ, दूसरी बात मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, मेरी कहानी कुछ ऐसी रही होगी, तीसरी बात मैं सेल्फ मेड हूँ, और चौथी बात ये कि एक यूथ की प्रॉब्लम ज़िंदगी को समझने वाली चीज़ है। आप इस लॉन्च के लिए मुझे नहीं लगता आप किसी मतलब 70-80 साल के किसी इंसान को बुला सकते हैं। आई थिंक ये एक रीज़न रहा होगा। कमर्शियल जो की बात मैं नहीं जानती, मैं छोटी छोटी चीज़ें वैसे ही लॉन्च करती रहती हूँ, तो छोटी मोटी। हाँ जी, फ़ायदा ये है ऑनलाइन का कि अब सब कुछ फ़ोन पे आ गया है, तो आप इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, स्नैपचैट और पता नहीं, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है हम थोड़े ओवर एक्सपोज्ड हो गए हैं आजकल, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई एंजॉय सम ऑनलाइन बॉट्स ऑल्सो।
सोशल मीडिया पे आप कितना करते हैं या फिर कितना एडिक्टेड है?
सोशल मीडिया का एक फ़ायदा ये है कि जैसे कभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी